Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. Guys, in the last session we have learned some examples regarding how to find cubes of a two-digit number by using Anurupiana Sutra. And in this session, with regard to the same concept, we are going to have a look of some more examples. And the example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 91. So guys, in order to find the cube of 91, I am going to use Anurupiana Sutra, which is very useful in finding the cubes of a two-digit number. The process of Anurupiana Sutra has the following procedure. Actually, while applying this Anurupiana Sutra in finding the cubes of a two-digit number, it has three rows of different parts of process. Now let us see what is the first row and what are the parts of process that are involved in it. When coming to the first row, the first part, what we are going to do here is we have to cube the digit that is in tens place. Here in the number 91, the digit in tens place is 9, and by cubing the number 9, we get 729 as the answer. Now, coming to the second part, we have to multiply the square of digit in tens place with the digit in ones place. So in the number 91, we are having 9 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So 9 square into 1, which is equals to 81 into 1, we will get 81 as the answer. Moving to the third part, we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So again in the number 91, we can see 9 in tens place and 1 in ones place. Now by multiplying 9 into 1 square, we will get 9 into 1, which is equals to 9. Finally, moving to the fourth part, we have to cube the digit in ones place. So here in the number 91, we are having 1 in ones place, and by cubing 1, we will get 1 as the answer. After getting the answers of the first, second, third and fourth part of the first row, we have to write these answers sequentially in the following way as shown here. After writing all these answers, now let us move on to the second row. Here in the second row, the first part of the process, what we have to do here is we have to double the second part of the first row answer. So here in the first row, the second part what we have got is 81, and if we double the number 81, we will get 162 as the answer. Now moving to the second part process of the second row, what we have to do here is we have to double the third part of the first row answer. So here in the first row, the third part answer what we have got is 9, and if we double the number 9, we will get 18 as the answer. After getting the first part and the second part of the second row answer, what we have to do here is we have to write these two answers right below the first row as shown the following way. At first, we have to write the first, second, third and fourth part of the first row answers like this. Below it, we have to write the second row answers in the way that the first part and the second part of the second row answers should be written right below the second part and the third part of the first row answers. Now let us place a horizontal bar below it. Now moving to the third row, what we have to do here is we have to sum the answers of the first row with the answers of the second row. So here in the third row, now let us start doing addition. So here in the fourth part, we don't have any other numbers to add up, so we have to write 1 as it is in the answer. Moving to the third part, we are having two numbers, that is 9 and 18. So if we add these two numbers, we will get 27 as the answer. And now moving to the second part, here we are having two numbers, that is 81 and 162. By adding these two numbers, we will get 243 as the answer. Since in the first part we don't have any numbers to add up, so therefore we have to write this number as it is in the answer. Now let us place one more horizontal bar. So in the third row, we have got first, second, third and fourth part answers, but we had to add these all the parts by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons. So here in the first part, we are having 3 digits, in the second part we are having 3 digits, and in the third part we are having 2 digits, whereas in the fourth part we are having only 1 digit. Now let us start doing addition from the right side, that is from the fourth part onwards. So here in the fourth part we are having only 1 digit, that is only 1, we have to write it as it is in the answer. Here in the third part we are having 2 digits, but according to our rules we should have only 1 digit. So therefore I am writing the digit in ones place, that is 7 in the answer like this, and the remaining number 2 should be taken as carry on to the second part. So now by adding 2 with the second part answer, that is 243 plus 2, we will get 245 as the answer. But 245, it is a 3-digit number, but according to our rules we should have only one digit, so therefore we have to take the digit in ones place, that is 5, and should return in the answer like this. And the remaining number 24 should be taken as carry on to the next part, that is to the first part. Now by adding 729 with the carry on 24, we will get 753 as the answer. Since there are no more parts to carry on, we have to write the answer 753 as it is. Now therefore by combining the answers of the parts what we have got, we will get the final answer, that is 91 cube is equals to 753,571. So guys, this is the way how we can use Anurupena Sutra in finding the cube of a given 2-digit number. So I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupena Sutra in finding the cube of a 2-digit number. In the next session we will be having some more examples regarding the same technique. For watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.